Hello friends, how are you? I hope you'll be well friends. So friends, today we will solve the GFG problem, longest unique character substring. So friends, I hope you have already seen the previous video because friends, in the previous video I have already discussed this one the problem. Okay, so if you want to brief and more explanation, so you can see the uh, previous video because I have already mentioned in the description box because there is a very much explanation there, but that one approach the that one approach is going to be TLE, but there is I have each and every point explained there, and in this program I will be only write the program, and there it will be only where need to be required to draw the, so there I will be explained. So don't worry friends, you if you will be not see the previous if you will be not see the that one brute force approach and going to be TLE approach, so don't worry, and also I will be explained here. But if your doubt it will be not clear, so definitely you will be see because that on video because the more than uh, video length has. Okay, so so that's why I'm creating the new video. Okay friends, so not matter the video length friends, because the approach it has a matter, because your approach and your concept has clear, so each and everything is clear, because in the next time in the future you will be see the dislike of the problem, you can be assume that like your approach and your logic it will be built right. So let's get start friends, I'm going to solve this problem. I'm going to also explain the little bit, but I'm going to try to give out the best inside the video. Okay, give you have already written the this one the question, but I'm going to also given a string, you need to print the size of the longest possible substring. It's mean which one is the longest possible substring has creating right. And what is the constraints, the exactly k unique characters. It's mean given here the, it's mean three should be the, in case should be three unique characters. If there is a no possible substring, so print it -1 right. So you can see here the friends has given here the output 7. Why? So you can see here friends, here the it's taking here the substring from here to here right. So you can count here the 33617 right. Okay, so that's why printing here the 7. Why friends? Because you can see here the y is taking the, because you can see here the in the substring only three unique character present, C B E right, and again be presented. So no matter, we find to the longest possible substring. So that's why friends. Okay, so let's get start friends. I'm going to the solving this one the problem. Okay, and anywhere you'll be stuck, so definitely you'll be do comment and I will try to give you the answer right. So let's get start. I'm first of all I'm going to the create here the, I'm taking here the length of the string right. I'm going to the take inside the one variable inside the len right, inside the len variable I'm taking the length len gth, because this is a string, so here I will write the string method. I'm subtracting -1, but not and after then where it will be used I will there subtract. Okay, so and move on the next, and we need to the return the max, it's mean the longest. So I'm right here the int longest substring we will return right, and there it will be I'm storing the 0. Okay, so next we will create the one for loop friends. I will explain friends why I'm creating this for loop. Okay, so this one it will start from the 0, and this one it will be going to be the len right, and here the I plus plus. Okay, and friends I'm creating here the one array right, and the name of the char, char index, char count right, and here I'm giving the length of it int 26. Why I'm writing here the friends this one? Because you know the very well friends, our our question is it will be solved based on the character, right? And you know the very well friends, from A to Z, only 26 character, not more than. That's why friends I'm creating here the one for loop, right? And that's why I'm here the creating the one array and character array, right? Not character array, but I will store here the count of the character, right? I'm creating here the int char. Okay, so here it will be size of the array is the 26. Okay, and next here I will write here the int distinct element, distinct distinct character is equals to 0, because friends I want to the counting here, because this for loop it will be started, and I want to the count the how much distinct element has come, right? So one by one it will be stored, because distinct is mean unique. We can write here the unique character, you can be easily to understand here, right? So I write it here, and now move on the next, and we will write the again for loop. Those one for loop it will be iterate from the j starting, and I'm also initializing this one the from I, because uh, because this one for loop it will be a start from the a, and this one it will be also a start from a, and I want to the I'm completing this for loop. You will be understand this one for loop iterate the from 0 to n minus 1 elements, right? I'm going to the right here the j, where is cursor, yes, j less than len, right? Why I'm writing here the length, because already I have written here the length inside the size, and j plus plus. Okay, and friends inside the j I'm going to the count, I'm going to the right here the one character index, right? Character index, right? And here I will be one, here first element it will become, so that one I'm taking here the first one element. So that caret method, you know the very well caret method is only find only pick up the single character, so that one character it will become. Okay, and here I'm subtracting character one, and you will see here what I am doing here, but don't worry, I will be explain inside the program, because this one it has not explaining the previous program, because this one is just to optimize. So you can see here the friends, for example, and firstly complete the this one line and you will be understand. Okay, and I will be explain it. And here I am writing here the if, because here I will be check the inside the this one is the char count, right? So inside the for loop I'm going to the check it. Okay, I'm check it the char count, char count, and bracket inside the what is the here char index. I'm going to the short form, but you understand caret, right? Index, because I'm going to the index when we are checking. Okay, 0, where index position it will be 0, right? Inside the character, so it will be condition true. So it's mean condition is true, it's mean a unique character we have found it. So we will in you and we will unique characters plus plus, it means unique character we have find, so that's why we are incrementing one by one, right? When this for loop it will be true, it's mean we have founded the unique character, right friends? And after then founded, we will at the index position at the place of we will increment the values. It's mean we have founded the single elements at the more than time, because a character is here also, a character is here also, a character here is also, right? So so we need to do increment that one, right? So I'm going to write here the what is the name of array, char, char count, right? And char count I am writing here the char index, char index, right, and plus plus, right. You can also write here the friends plus 1, that like, but unary operator you can write, right. So this one I am completed. I'm going to the explain this one line, because you can be understand. For example friends, for example friends, uh, a ASCII key value, you know the very well. What is the a is ASCII key value? 65, right. I'm going to the find it ASCII key value. You can see here the friends is a capital A, it's a 65, right. 65 capital A, all element here the small, so we should be from 97. A is equals to 97, right friends. And and Z, it will be, where is Z? Z is 122, 122. Okay friends. So so I'm copying this element, right. I'm pasting. So friends, you can see here the I'm subtracting 97 from 97, right, from this element. First element what will become? You can see here the double 8 will become, right. It means again 97 it will become, right. At the place of you can see this one is string first character, it will become, right. Am I right? Okay. And this one, it will be where it will be stored? At the index position it will be 0. And you know the very well friends, we have already created the 126 length of the array, right, count array. So there index position we have found it 0, right. At the place of 0, at the place of 0, we are we are checking this the condition. If at the place of 0, if at the place of 0, if at the place of 0 uh, is equals to 0, it means there is no element, it will be 0. Okay, so we will increment the unique characters. Okay friends, so there we will increment the by 1, right. So when we will increment by 1, and after then friends, incremented, this one will be condition is true, right. And again this one, for this one, if condition it will be true, so we need to the plus plus 1. It's mean index position, at the index position 0 we are incrementing by 1. So there increment 1, it means there is 1, right. And again a is coming, so again next a is coming. Okay, so again 97 minus 97 is equals to 0. It's conflict friends, again index position is 0, right. So you can see here the, here it will be check, right. And index position it will be 0 here, and here is also 0. So you can see here already index position has their 1, not 0, right. But here the checking the condition 0. So this one if it will be not true, and the second time, so this one it will be plus plus 1 again. So here it will be at the place of index position, there it will be 2. I hope you can guessing it friends, it's not very logical. So at the place of their index position, their index, right, this one is the index position, this one is the value, right. So there in the 0 position it will be 2. So again we can see here the b. So you can see here the friends b it will be, here it will become at the place of, at the place of b. And you can see here the b of, what is the b of b? 98. Okay, so there it will be 98 minus 97. So what will be friends, here it will be 1, 98 minus 97, it will be 1. It means this is a index position, index position 1, right. Index position 1, so index position 1 there it will be. And you can see here the index position 1 has blank, right. So there it will be 0. So its condition is true, and this unique character it will be plus plus 1. It means two character has come. First one is A and second one is B, right? And again here it will become, and here it will be what? Here it will be 1. You have already seen here A index position. So here it will be 1, right? Here it will be 1. So this like of this for loop it will be going on, and here it will be condition check, and here it will be the index position, it will be incremented. I hope you can assuming that, friends. But don't worry, if uh, back to few minutes and you can play again, you can assume that what I want to do what I want to do explaining here, right? So now move next, we write again. So after this completion, so here I'm going to the check it out the program. So how our the our district element, if district unique element, unique, unique characters, because I have already written here the unique characters. So we'll check it is equals to a small k here the our, because you can see here the already, friends, our length, our unique character length should be the 3. So that's why I'm checking here the condition is condition has true, so we will our the problem has solved. If condition is not true, so we will check it again and again where we are finding the maximum length. So I'm going to the write here the max length. What is the long sub? Okay, long substring, right? And here we will write, I'm writing the math.max. Math.max, this is a method, friends. Inside the method we will passing the true variables, and those one it will be maximum. So that one it will be stored, this one the variable, right? So I'm going to the write here the okay, and I'm going to write here the j minus 1, j minus I plus 1 plus 1. Okay, condition is block. Why I'm writing here the, friends? Because you can see here the again and again this will be checked, because first of all this for loop it will be checked where from starting index position to 0, and a starting index position to n minus 1, and after this completion again it will be checked from here, because you can see here the already has inside the explanation our the substring founded from here to here, right? So that's why I am one by one decrementing, right? From left to right I'm going, okay, one by one. So that's why after finding the where we are finding the longest substring, so that's why I'm using the max length. Okay, so after that here I'm going to the write here the else if. Again we are checking the if unique, unique characters, if unique characters is greater than k, oh, sorry, if unique characters is greater than k, so we will return, sorry, we will break, break, right? Why we are break, friends? Because, friends, because our the 3 here, right? So we have founded, and unique characters is more than k. So you know the already we no need to the more than k. Okay, that's why I'm writing the this condition. Okay, because, friends, you can you think a little bit why we are checking the more than k elements. Why? No need to do required. So we will break here, because our the motive is to find only kth elements. It means should be the only 3 elements, unique characters. So if we have a story inside the array is more than 3 elements, so we will break here, right? Here it will be incremented one by one. This one it will be here the 4, so condition has false. This one no need to the check the unless steps. So we have breaked here, and let's get the problem has solved. I'm going to the write here the return statement. Okay, this one is the this one for loop, right? And I'm going to check it, right? I'm going to write here the long sub, sorry, long sub. Okay, long sub should be the equals to 0. It means no any element has founded, right? Okay, so there it will be what we will return -1, return -1. Okay, and after that will otherwise always will return the longest long substring, right? So I'm going to the compile it. Oh, where I'm taking the capital L 43. Oh, sorry, a small L should be there. You can see here the friends, it has compiled. I'm going to the submit it. Sorry friends, video is long, but where has TLE has come? Why? Where you need to do optimize it. So before submitting, we can. I'm going to the see the one by one. I'm taking here the string where I'm not mistaking anywhere, and here the length. Okay, and I'm taking here the one array, and I'm finding the unique characters, and after then yes, okay, and I'm starting. I'm j initializing with I. Okay, and here I'm one by one taking the elements and subtracting a. Okay, and here it's one by one, it should be check here with 0, and after then it will be correct. Yes, and here the index position it will be increment by 1, and characters, unique characters. Okay, okay, it will be check, and okay, fine, and longest substring it will be stored in the longest long sub. Compile it friends, and we will see the result. Yes, I'm going to the submit it. What's the result? It's going to be TLEY. I'm going to the removing the spaces. It should not be that like. Yes friends, you can see here the I have removed the space, and it has submitted. Okay friends, thanks for this watching video. I hope it will be help for you. Thank you.